Basic concepts. The inverse trigonometric functions are the inverse functions of the trigonometric functions. These are the inverse trigonometric functions. There's another notation for inverse trigonometric functions as given below. Cos inverse x is equal to arc cos x. Sin inverse x is equal to arc sin x. Tan inverse x is equal to arc tan x. Recall that if f is a one-to-one function with domain A and range B, then the inverse of f is the function denoted f inverse with domain B and range A such that y is equal to f inverse of x if and only if x is equal to f of y. For a function to have an inverse, it must be one-to-one. Sometimes, when a function is not one-to-one, one can restrict its domain to make it one-to-one. For example, the function f of x is equal to x square with domain infinity infinity is not one-to-one. It does not pass the horizontal line test. However, if we restrict its domain to 0 infinity, it is one-to-one. It has an inverse. It is f inverse of x equal to square root of x. Because of their periodic nature, the trigonometric functions are not one-to-one.